Have you ever felt like you're invisible as you get older? Or noticed things about yourself that others might be too polite to mention? Well, today we're uncovering 10 ugly things you might be doing in old age that everyone notices, but no one tells you. Stick around because we'll not only highlight these common challenges, but also share simple, actionable tips to help you avoid them. Watch the video until the end because item number 9 will surprise you. Whether you're a senior yourself or you care for someone who is, this video is for you. Let's empower ourselves to age gracefully and live our best lives. As we age, we often find ourselves navigating the complex landscape of growing older. Evelyn, a vibrant 72-year-old woman who once enjoyed a bustling social life filled with friends, family gatherings, and community events. Recently, however, she has started to feel isolated and has noticed subtle changes in how others perceive her. She finds herself facing challenges that many seniors encounter, but few talk about openly. With a goal of fostering awareness and encouraging a proactive approach to aging gracefully, we will tell you about the challenges faced by Evelyn. Let's dive in. 1. Neglecting personal grooming. As physical changes become more apparent, some seniors may start to neglect personal grooming. Evelyn notices that she has stopped styling her hair regularly and often opts for sweatpants over her once stylish outfits. This shift can send a message of disengagement to others. To combat this, consider establishing a simple daily routine. Set aside time each week for self-care, whether it's a trip to the salon or just taking a moment to put on your favorite outfit. Remember, looking good can boost your confidence and improve how others perceive you. 2. Becoming set in your ways. With age often comes rigidity. Evelyn finds herself resistant to new ideas or changes in her routine. This can lead to isolation, as friends and family may feel discouraged from engaging with her. The solution is to stay curious. Embrace new experiences, whether it's trying a new hobby, exploring technology, or even attending community classes. Keeping an open mind can lead to enriching connections and experiences. 3. Excessive complaining. It's easy to fall into a cycle of complaining about health issues, loneliness, or societal changes. Evelyn realizes that her conversations often revolve around what's wrong, pushing away those who used to engage with her. Make sure to practice gratitude. Start a daily journal where you note 3 things you're thankful for. This simple shift can change your perspective and make conversations more enjoyable for both you and your listeners. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 3 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now let's move forward. 4. Losing touch with friends. As social circles shrink, it can be tough for seniors to maintain friendships. Evelyn finds that many of her friends have moved away or passed on, leaving her feeling lonely. Make an effort to reconnect. Use social media, phone calls, or even old-fashioned letters to reach out. Join local clubs or volunteer organizations where you can meet new people who share your interests. 5. Overusing technology. While technology can be a great tool for connection, over-reliance on it can lead to misunderstandings. Evelyn struggles with her grandchildren's texting shorthand, feeling left out of their conversations. Take the time to learn about technology. Consider enrolling in community classes designed for seniors. Being tech-savvy can enhance your connections and keep you engaged with loved ones. 6. Ignoring health issues. Many seniors, like Evelyn, may downplay health concerns, believing they are just part of aging. This can lead to avoidable complications and a decrease in quality of life. Stay proactive about your health. Schedule regular checkups, and don't hesitate to discuss any changes with your doctor. Keeping informed about your health can empower you to take better care of yourself. 7. Clinging to old beliefs. Seniors may hold onto outdated beliefs that can alienate them from younger generations. Evelyn finds herself clashing with her grandchildren over differing values and opinions. Engage in intergenerational dialogues. Listen to younger perspectives and share your experiences. This exchange can foster understanding and strengthen relationships across age groups. 8. Resisting change. Whether it's adapting to new living arrangements or lifestyle changes, many seniors resist change. Evelyn struggles with the idea of moving into a smaller, more manageable home. Embrace change as a part of life. Approach it with a positive mindset. Consider the benefits of downsizing or moving, such as reduced maintenance and increased freedom to travel or engage in activities. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 8 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. 9. Isolating yourself. Loneliness can become a significant issue for seniors. Evelyn often declines invitations, choosing to stay home instead, which only exacerbates her feelings of isolation. Make it a point to say yes more often. Attend community events, join activities, or take classes. Engaging with others can combat feelings of loneliness and enhance your social network. 10. Focusing on the negative. As Evelyn reflects on her life, she often dwells on regrets and what she perceives as failures, which saps her joy and enthusiasm. Shift your focus towards the positive aspects of your life. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and share your stories with others. This not only boosts your mood, but can inspire those around you. Aging comes with its own set of challenges, but by recognizing and addressing these issues, seniors like Evelyn can improve their quality of life and maintain meaningful connections with others. Remember, it's never too late to make changes that can enhance your experience of aging. Embrace the journey, stay active, and keep learning. The best years of your life could be ahead of you. Thanks for watching. If you found value in today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need to hear this. Remember, aging is a journey, and we can make it a beautiful one together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What challenges have you faced? Or what tips do you have for staying engaged and vibrant as you age? Drop your comments below. Until next time, keep shining and embracing the beauty of life at every age. Bye for now.